Mokie, Motide, again, Moni Freetown. I'm all talking Yoruba, English, Cabo, Kushe, Krio. What is your name, my darling?
My name is Ngadi Kamara.
And can you tell us where we are?
We are at Hotel BARMOI
Hotel
in
BARMOI.
Aberdeen, Freetown.
Oh, yeah?
One of the very few indigenously owned and operated hotels here in Freetown. We're a second generation hotel and we're trying to maintain the legacy of this hotel.
Okay. So how long have you had this hotel? I understand this is a family tradition?
It is.
Okay,
My
tell me
dad
what's about
founded
that.
this hotel and we celebrated 25 years last year.
Oh, okay. All right.
It's
25
a
years.
30-room boutique hotel.
Okay.
And we pride ourselves in being a local hotel, one that's locally owned, locally operated. We hire a lot of Sierra Leoneans and we really believe that we're a family and anybody who comes here and visits us become part of the family.
Find out, huh?
That's right. Well,
All
they're
right.
family too.
All right, I'm going to turn a little bit and then you're going to give us a tour, but I want to show them where we are literally.
Yes.
I don't want to
You
turn
want me
too
to turn
fast
with
and make
you?
people dizzy. Okay, look, if you can see behind me,
Ocean view.
yeah, we are literally
Yes.
on the peninsula that juts out into what they used to call the Ethiopian Ocean, now known as the Atlantic Ocean.
In Freetown, it's the Cape of Aberdeen.
Aberdeen.
Yes.
And you go back with my family, right?
That's right.
Over there, yeah, there's family connections right there, right?
We went to school together,
Okay.
primary school,
All right, what's the name of the school?
second international school, and St. Joseph's Convent.
Oh, okay, yeah. We went there earlier. Yeah, we went there earlier. St. Joseph in the house,
Yes.
man. All right. Come on, show us this
All right,
hotel.
let me show you some.
Couche.
Couche, welcome.
Y'all they're getting the pool ready here.
Yes.
They're getting the pool ready.
Two
Okay.
pools. We're
Uh-huh.
renovating.
Okay. I'm gonna switch now and go to a front camera.
So unfortunately, the suites are booked. So I'll show you one of the rooms up here.
Looks like we're headed towards the ocean. Couche.
Yes, sir.
Howdy, body.
Thank you, sir.
That's right. Speak it. Our rates are really competitive.
This is you said 120. That's
Yes.
dollars.
Dollars.
Okay.
And that's
Easy breezy.
inclusive of all taxes and complimentary breakfast. We do a lovely continental African breakfast.
Okay, let's check this view.
It's some machine.
You know, remember this?
Cutting.
But I never they call Apollo.
Apollo.
Whenever during this season is when you
It
get
goes-
conjunctivitis.
Oh, yeah.
You know, I never knew why they call it Apollo.
Oh, okay.
Until my mom told me that it was the same time of year that Apollo went up into space.
Okay, wow. That's
So
why they
in
got
Sierra
the
Leone we call conjunctivitis Apollo.
Oh,
Very
okay.
facts. But it's cotton from the cotton tree.
Ah, okay.
Is it a drilling?
Yeah, I think it's the same as that over there. Then they do some jail stuff.
Yeah.
Either
They
then they look for some things,
Investigate
they
or
investigate.
something.
There you have it. Hotel BARMOI. I might not have said that. Right.
BARMOI is our
BARMOI.
village in the northern province.
Oh, okay, that's the name after the village
My
of your
dad's
family.
village, yeah.
Say the name again, please.
BARMOI. I say BARMOI, but it's really
BARMOI.
BARMOI.
BARMOI, Hotel
In
BARMOI.
Potoko district.
Yeah, I'm gonna put all the links on this video, so it'll make it easy for y'all to come to the great nation of Sierra Leone, to the beautiful city of Freetown, and have a wonderful place to stay right now.